Yellow friends, welcome back to Pinterest class. My name is Job Jerome. I'm going to take you through P6 and P7 worksheet for science subject. I hope you are ready with your answers, so let's go straight away to the answers. Number 1A, bacteria reproduce by binary fission. If you don't say binary fission, you can say cell division. Yes, so bacteria reproduce by binary fission. Let's go to number 1B. Bacteria help in decomposition. That's one use of bacteria to man. It helps in decomposition. It reduces on the amount of garbage as they rot. They help in making humus, help to reduce on the amount of feces in the latrines. Yes, so that's it for uses of bacteria to man. Then part C, 1C is bacteria they cause a lot of diseases like typhoid by Salmonella typhi, anthrax by Bacillus anthracis. Those are bacteria caused diseases. Bacterial diseases, actually. Those are bacterial diseases. Then let's go to number 2A. Number 2A, swarming is the massive movement of bees from one place to another looking for a new hive. That is swarming in bees. Yes, swarming is the massive movement of bees from one place to another looking for a new hive. Let's go to 2B. Conditions which lead to swarming. One might be too much noise in the area, leakage in the hive, even when a new queen bee is groomed, that causes swarming. Okay, let's go to 2C. Importance of bee farming in a community. Bee farming is a source of honey which is sold to get money. Bees also help to pollinate flowers in the community. Yes, so those are importances of bees in a community. Next part, number 3A. Number 3A, most farmers keep merino sheep because they produce a lot of wool. Yes, merino sheep produce a lot of wool. That's why they are liked by most farmers. And then 3B, examples of sheep purposely kept for mutton production. We have the Somali, the Maasai, the black-headed Persian. Those kind of sheep are kept purposely for mutton production. I hope you know what mutton is. You know, some people are really funny. You can even find when they don't know what mutton is. Mutton is the meat for the sheep. Let's go to number 3C. 2 farm practices carried out by sheep farmer. We have shearing and docking. Yes, we have shearing and docking. Then number 4, the beak of a G-sucking bird. You can see it there on your screen. Then number 5, item that can be used to clean ears. We have the earbuds. Please don't use sharp objects because they can damage the eardrum. So you have to use those the earbuds, or sometimes the clean cloth. Number 6, property of clay soil. Clay soil has got closely packed particles. That's one property of clay soil, and it does not allow water to easily pass through it. Yes. Number 7, infectious diseases are diseases which can be spread from one infected person to a healthy person. So when you talk about infectious diseases, these are diseases which can be spread from one infected person to a healthy person. Those are infectious diseases. Then number 8, knowledge of rainfall patterns helps the farmer to plan for the farm activities. If you are a farmer and you're relying on rainfall, it means it will help. If you know the rain patterns, it will help you to know when to plant your crops and when to harvest. Yes. Let's go to number 9. Term used to refer to animals with backbone. Those are known as vertebrates. So animals with backbones are known as vertebrates. Then number 10, you can see the experiment to show transpiration. As you can see it in that diagram, the plant has been covered in cavera so that the process of transpiration can take place. Okay, let's go to number 11. Number 11, social insects is the term used to describe insects which live and work together. So actually, some of you should behave like social insects. I like social insects. You see, an ant is one of them. You can find an ant coming here and it tastes, oh, there is sugar here. They run very fast to inform others that I have seen some sugar, and they all come to carry at least a crystal. Those insects. Okay, so let's go to number next. Vitamin C helps to prevent people from getting scurvy. So it is vitamin C which helps people from getting scurvy. And then number 13, flowers help plants to reproduce. That is one importance of flowers to a plant. Yes, they help plants to reproduce. Then number 14, ventilators let out used air from a house. When you breathe out, that air which you breathe out rises up, and when it rises up, it passes through the ventilators and it moves out. Then the fresh air passes through the windows and the doors to enter into the room. So it is a process. I hope you know that process. The air which you have breathed out goes up, and the air which is fresh comes down from the windows and the doors. Yes, let's go to number 15. Number 15, food provides energy to the body. Yes, the food we eat provides energy to us so that we can do our work. It can also help us to boost our immunity. Yes. Let's go to number 16. Banana crops, cotton, those are crops that give us fiber. Yes, you can see the cotton fiber there, the banana fibers, they are there. So they help us to get fibers which we use to make different things. Number 17, kwashiorkor is caused by lack of proteins in the body. Yes, kwashiorkor is caused by lack of proteins in the body. And the last number for today is number 18. We are converting 0 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, and the steps are already shown in the process. So we have to first write the formula. Fahrenheit is the same as centigrade times 9 out of 5. Those are supposed to be in brackets, plus 32. So what we do, we have the Celsius scale, which is 0 times 9 out of 5, and that gives us 0, as you can see, plus 32. So 0 plus 32 gives us 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's how that number is done. Well, that's it for science subject for P6 and P7. We hope to see you in our next video, and for now we're saying have a nice time.